This is going to be a video tutorial on how to change your display name on Twitch. I will be using the desktop app on a desktop PC for this. Let me jump over to Twitch here. I have Twitch opened up now. This should work exactly the same on the browser version as it does on the desktop app. It's the same thing. To change your display name, you want to go off to the upper right hand corner, up to your little profile icon. You want to click on that. Then you want to go down to where it says Settings and click on Settings. Now under Settings, across the top here you have different tabs. You want to make sure you're on the Profile tab. And then down here, under the Profile Settings, Display Name. Right here is your display name. You can change it to whatever you want. And then you would go down to the bottom and click on Save Changes. That is how to change your display name on Twitch. Thanks for watching.